Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have a trimmer blade, an edger blade that looks like this, it's probably time to replace because it probably should be nice and big like this. So in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how to take on and put off one of these. All right, so if you have one of these, you're going to want to loosen this nut, and most of the ones I've seen have this where it says tighten this way, loosen this way, because it's opposite than what you would normally think. Now, to be able to get a handle on this so this is not spinning, most, I believe, have this is a Husqvarna, but most have a pin slot right there, and you line it up. I just took a small screwdriver, you jam it in there, and it prevents this from spinning. Then you can get, in this situation, this is a 1/2-inch wrench, be able to spin it off, take that off, take the new one, put it back on. See that it fits perfectly over that. You take this, you put it on, you take this, and you tighten it on. Noticing this is left to tighten, which is the opposite. Then you're gonna perform the same thing by taking your whatever pin device you're gonna use, stick it in there, and then tighten it on, and you are good to go. Hopefully that helps.